Okay, so if you want to create groupings, what you do is you go into your groups, which I've already done. You can see I'm on the page for groups. These are the groups I've created: East, Pioneer Ridge, Victoria Elementary School, and West. If I want to create a grouping where groups have separate access to separate assignments, or it's only visible to certain groups, then I need to use groupings. And you can see I've already created one grouping with middle schools for East and West. And I did that by clicking on the wheel or the cog. That is not true. Please ignore that. Boy, I wish I were perfect. So what you do is you click on the picture, and now I can go ahead and you can see I've already added East and West, but it's for middle school, so I want to add Pioneer Ridge as well. And I click and add, and now they're in that middle school. And I go back to groupings, and I can see that I have now, those are the three groups that are in the grouping. To create another grouping, I simply click Create a Grouping, and this one is going to be for the elementary schools. And I could put a description if I want. I'm not going to. And I'm going to save my changes. From there, I will click on the icon with the people that are in groups. You can see there are two of them. Oops, I clicked on the wrong one. Again, I wish I were perfect. So back to groupings. And if I click on the people for elementary schools, now I can highlight Victoria Elementary School, and I can click Add, and now I have Victoria Elementary School in that separate grouping. So let's go back to the course and see what it looks like. If I want to make this assignment, very important Moodle document, only accessible to the middle schools, or the grouping of the middle schools, and you can have only one group in a grouping, but groupings are the only ways that you're able to designate assignments or activities for one group. So it's available only for group members. I select middle schools. It's visible, so they'll be able to see it. I save and return to the course, and we will see that grouping in parentheses next to very important Moodle document. It will say middle schools. Now, when the elementary school teachers that are enrolled in those groups are on this page, they will not be able to see this document. They will not have access to it.